Han, it's your grandkid. Hello, Han, what you did?
What are you doing? You can't wait.
Good morning, Philippines!
Boy, straight. Okay guys. Okay, andito na sila Tami guys. And then, sobrang init dito. I used to wear like this guys. Yung mga sandals. But lately, hindi na ako talagang nagsusuot-suot ng mga ganito. Pero, this time, susuotin ko siya para... Ito lang yung susuotin ko guys. Itong suot na ito. Kasi hindi makikita yung poison ivy ko. And... Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, Misty Roxy? We'll be right back. Late kami, guys. Late. Takbo ng sasakyan. Sobrang bilis. Basta yung asawa ko na talaga magmaniho, magdala ng sasakyan sa kali. Ganun. Para na kami lumilipad. Yeah, I know, it's 55. Itong sila, palagi silang huli. Alam nyo doon yung mga, may mga party-party sa, dito sa side na to. Ang ano ba, di ba mag-dinner mga 5-4 o'clock kapag winter. Maaga yung dinner kasi ano siya, madaling magabi ba. Yung dinner nila is like mga 4:30 and then late mga 5. Yung pagdating namin malapit na silang matapos kumain yung pagdating kasi ito kasing ina nila palaging ano, huli kaya nasanay na sila na gano'n. Nag seatbelt ko guys. Oy, usually hindi ko mag seatbelt dito sa baba, basta dito sa huli, dito sa ano ba, kaso ano ako sa magdadrive ng asawa ko, kaluta. Alam, may mga tinda doon, no? There's have like flea market.
Up here, I'm guessing fruit and vegetables.
No, it's not. I saw it. It's not. It's like things.
Here's the school having a car wash.
Yeah. The kids can do car wash?
Yeah, they do that for raise money for the school teams.
For bread?
Like, you know, no. They raise money for uniforms for the team. You know, for basketball, like that. For uniforms and stuff for the kids' team. For the team, for the school. It's not like they keep that money and go home with it.
No, I mean, yeah. Please look ahead.
Of course there are.
Of course.
Naturally, there's cops ahead. I guess I'll let you guys off in Civil Park.
Yeah, instead of bringing you all that way around, you gotta come to Andrea's house and flip-flop into here.
Amelia June, I baptize you in the name of the Father, and of the Son, Holy Spirit.
He's grown up.
Yeah, don't talk too much.
Yeah.
Dito lang kami guys, Look who's playing roles of survival.
I got the most gorgeous picture.
Yeah?
Because, well, first I want to blow it up and
Look at this door, guys. Tignan nyo naman, guys. Ang ganda ng pultahan, guys. Oh my God. Alam nyo ba, guys, matagal ako hindi nakapunta ng simbahan. 10 years ako hindi nakapunta sa simbahan. Tapos na, guys. Papunta na kami din sa bahay ng ano. Bahay ng kapatid ng asawa ko. Wala, oy, natangtang man dahil ni oy. Natangtang na po na kung ano. Kayo, guys. Hoping na hindi kayo mahuhulog dyan, guys. Don't break, ha? The camera is there.
Don't break. I gotta break.
Okay, guys. I will see you sa house. Parang hindi na ako masyadong makapag-vlog mamaya kasi marami ng tao.
If you go this way, you come back and knock on road the way we went originally.
Okay. And maraming tao dun. Parang yung iba ayaw, di ba? Yung iba ayaw makita sa vlog, ganyan. So, yun.
So, you ready to go?
She doesn't like you.
I'm guessing no.
Okay, that's okay. Go ahead, she's gonna scream, but...
Hi. What you doing?
Han, it's your grandkid.
You got your baby? You got your baby? And who's pointing the camera? Everybody pointing cameras at you all
Hello,
day.
baby.
All day they pointing cameras at you. Why do they do that? All day. You're so cute. That's why everybody points cameras at you. You're so pretty.
Look at her eyes and it's so pretty. Oh.
What you doing?
She kept laughing. Yes, she's laughing.
What's he doing you? You're giving him a workout, aren't you?
Hello, Han, what you did?
No more lap bounces.
Go. What did you do? What did you do? So freaking cute.
She's so thirsty. I guess I'm not sharing with you because I'm not drinking out of it after you put your mouth.
Steve, not you!
Yeah, we don't care about people. We just want to get
Anyway, guys. Pauwi na kami, guys.
Well, it was a nice party. Everybody seems to be enjoying themselves.
Pauwi na kami. Hindi kami naglasing. Hindi kami umiinom. Kasi, lalo na si Tami kasi magdadrive pa kasi. So, yun. You go pee-pee first. Go pee-pee. Oh my God. You go pee-pee. You go pee-pee. You go pee-pee. I love you. Go pee-pee. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I know. I know.
Baby, hello. Hello, sweetheart. Yes, Daddy brought something for you. Yes, he did. Look. What are you doing?
You can't wait.
He was gonna
Honey, oy.
jump into the bed with
You
it.
gotta crawl up my arm to get it.
Look at the dog now.
Balancing act.
What the
You hurt my
hell?
arm, kid.
Oh, Han, don't let him do that, Han. Han!
Come on, on the back. You hurt my arm.
No, I told you. Oh my God, he's a big faces. Han, he is so hungry, Han.
You gotta take him off my arm. Huh? My arm isn't there.
Okay, Dada is in pain, okay? Roxy, that's for the cat. Okay,
That's okay, you can have it.
come here, Bug. No, he got this one. He deserves to get this. Are you kidding me?
He worked hard for it. I think I worked hard for it.
He worked a new system now.
He couldn't wait for me to get it for him.
He is so hungry, honey.
Yeah, I like that. He's hungry. He hasn't been hungry lately. Got the one, you got it.
Roxy, Mr. Come. Right here.
But you'll be happy to know there's more. See, the ham was a nice change up. Even I got turkey too, but
Oops. Oh my God, I can't.
even the ham was difficult went after the ham. Because it's something different.
Here. Roxy, where are you? Come here. Hi guys, dito na kami. Si Hubs, nakakatuwa naman itong si Hubs. So, nakita ninyo guys. Nakakatuwa yung pusa ko guys. Hindi niya makaya yung ano niya, gutom. Doon kami sa sister-in-law ko. Yung ano, dinner na pala namin yung nakalimutan ko. Anyway. So yun. I-charge ko muna tong cellphone ko. Dead na dead talaga itong cellphone ko guys. As in, sobrang dead. Hindi nga ako naglalaro ng Rose ngayon. At saka, mag-ano pa ako ng video para bukas. Bukas, guys. Bukas. Not too much. Only to the thing.
That's all.
Okay.
Let it sit for a couple minutes.
Okay. What is that? Tell them. What is that?
Gold bond with lidocaine.
What? What is that good for, like...
Lidocaine is a numbing agent.
I know, but it's not for, like... no, this is not for, like...
No, but it's for itch. Look, itch relief.
Okay, but this is also for itch relief. The Benadryl.
No, this is for minor burns, cuts, skin irritations, insect bites, sunburn, steroid free.
I miss this guy. I miss this guy so much.
You mean you didn't like me buying that stuff, and now you say, oh, let me use it again.
You miss me.
Yes, hon. You think I don't know nothing?
You care about me?
Yes, hon. That's
But-
why I got
But you can give me a food instead of don't get a food.
it. You won't eat coconuts. It sucks, but I gotta do what I gotta do.
I love you.
I love you too.
You get extra check. That's good, hon. That's a big thing, hon, compared to before. Are you serious?
Absolutely is, hon. This could be jealousy, jealousies. Jealousy.
That's my arm.
Much like this. I'm gonna place him down. Look, you up. Yeah,
Come on.
you come. What's this? You got up here?
No, that's a injection when I was a baby, and I can feel it's growing. Don't itch it, hon.
If it's growing,
It's itching over there. You
if it's
can.
growing, it's not infection, it's something else.
No, of course it's growing, hon. Every injection that have a growing thing.
They shouldn't grow.
Which one? Oh, this one you're feeling?
Yeah.
It's a lump. It's growing. It's a big, like a
Mole.
dark mole. It's growing.
A mole that grows is not good.
And this is growing, hon. Did you feel the bump more?
Then it's gotta be taken off.
Mhm.
Things that grow are alive. Alive things, not good.
So that means I'm growing. I have a problem. Roxy's growing, have cancerous. That's okay. Hi, baby. Hello, baby. Hello. Hi. No, my arm. Tikang kang tang duha, magtikang kang timang kang. Timang kang, timang kang. Tikang tikang. Who wants to go upstairs with mama? Who wants to go up with mama upstairs? Let's go upstairs. Who wants to go upstairs? Do you want to go upstairs? Not just me. Oh, Dada's not gonna be sleeping with us.
Thank you, wicked. Thank you. Thank you, wickeddies.
Oh, good girl, no baby. Oh, good girl. Kiss it.
Thank you. Girl, my big girl. Such my big girl. And if I pick him up, he crawls right on my arms and goes behind my neck where I can't like
Hi, Bug!
actually squish him.
Look at that cat, guys. That's Hubs. And he stayed there, like it's been months, probably it's gonna be almost 2 months already that he stayed there, or else in the other side. You know, there is a vent here, I don't know, that vent right here, that's a vent for air conditioning and heater. And
I don't know what he saw. It could have been a piece of dust blowing at it.
no, maybe it's a
Could have
bug.
been a ladybug. I don't know, but whatever it is, he's been focused on it ever since.
Yeah, so he's waiting that whatever like insects can get in there, and he's waiting that insects will get out. The girl over there was a mama's girl. She was a mama's girl. She climbed on my stomach and sleep on my stomach. Well, it's not really bad cat, guys. She is still loving, guys, to me and to Tommy, but I don't know, no one can touch her, guys. Yeah, but she get hurt. She get hurt because she gets hurt.
One day in bed, and mom's just petting her. She's sitting there getting pet, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, she just grabbed and like ripped at her.
Maybe because when she turned, she get hurt.
For no reason. No, for no reason. She's just like.
Maybe she
just like
doesn't.
me that day. She's sitting there, and I'm doing nothing. All of a sudden, she just ripped at me. Remember?
No, right here, because she get mad because
What? I wasn't doing nothing.
Hubs and her, it's
Hubs
like
was
fighting.
No.
That was
no.
upstairs.
No, she was here. She was here, right on this
Okay.
couch. Lying with me on this couch.
Okay.
Nice, and all of a sudden she rips into me and bit down like hard bite.
Because maybe it's a play. You know, that's how her play. Rough.
Son, she put blood everywhere.
But she never really like hurt me because she wanna hurt me, guys. I only get hurt from her when I was playing rough with her. And that's how she grew up. She played with me rough. And I used to wear gloves, like a really thick
Welding
gloves. Huh?
Welding glove.
Yeah, welding gloves to play with her, because that's how she plays. She lit her nails out, and I'm bleeding.
You wanted to play with her. That's
Yeah.
what you taught her.
So now she is like that.
She's like that.
And yeah, I love her, guys. You know, I love that cat, but she give us a little headache. That one right there. But look at her. She you know, she knows that she's safe. Once the cat is sleep like that, she feels safe. Like no one will step on her except Roxy.
Jumping, then she worries that she'll
Look at this other one, guys.
She doesn't worry that they're gonna do anything on purpose.
Okay, let's see what's her reaction.
Come on, Raps.
Move. Oh, oh goodness. Oh, you miss me. You miss me. You miss me. You miss me. Hmm? That's the thing about this cat, guys. She won't scratch my face whatsoever. And I can trust her with that. You miss me? I'm just here. And then you're annoying, that's all. Where are you going? Come. Misty, go away. Come here, Dimpler. Dimples. Dimpler. Come here, Dimp. Come here. Come. God, Roxy, that's so loud. I don't want that lips, Rox. I don't want your tongue kisses, Rox. Not the butt area, okay? Come here, Dimple. Come here, Dimple. Come here. Come here. Come here. Dimple. Dimple.
Yeah, bud.
Bye, Miss Boo. I love you. You're a good girl.
Don't keep walking with me.
You too, Roxy. I love you too. You have to be a good girl. She's so sad.
Bye, Rox. You Rox.
She's ready to go upstairs.
You ran away from me. Bye, Rox.
Because she thought she's going upstairs.
She goes upstairs?
Yeah.
Did you
Well,
ride on
okay,
the
you go
porch?
upstairs.
Did you ride on the porch automatically?
Yes.
Oh, because that's how it go on.
Garbage.
Time to roll.
I have to throw this garbage out. Garbage out. Garbage out. Okay guys, they're leaving. I'm going to end this vlog also now guys. I will see you next time with my baby Monday. But why you don't have shoes?
I got him in the car.
Oh, you have extra shoes in the car?
No. Carried
Yeah,
him from
but
the
that
car.
means you're gonna be.
Yeah, that's how I'm driving.
But I mean, do you have gas?
I'll stop the gas. Okay. It's not raining out. Okay.
Anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog with my husband guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night guys. Kasi matutulog na rin ako.
Hi guys.
Yeah, see you to Monday.
See you on Monday.
Bye guys. Ayun, tignan nyo si Roxy. Roxy, why you're in there already? Huy! What are you doing? What are you doing over there? What are you doing? Okay guys. Okay, let's go up now. Let's go up now. Up now, up now, up now. Up now, up now, up now. Okay. Good night, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, thank you so much for subscribing, watching, liking the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And please don't forget to like this video if you do like it. Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night.